Oh boy, time to get in my new car. Alright. Man, I really gotta get a new car. I have to keep trying. So I decided to get a new car. Basically, driving cars are really exciting. Basically, you can't always have a car. Basically, you need a car keys to drive a real car. And super extreme awesomeness. Really cool. Oh no, here comes the pain! Oh, I know. How about I get a new car key for my new car so I can drive it better? It sure is a nice day in the nighttime. Should be here somewhere, perhaps. Looks like we're done here. Uh-oh. It looks like it's time to work out my muscles now. Here we go. Take a break from driving from now.